The Kiwi 757-200. It's one of two examples in the infantry. Squadron, which is a mixed squadron, has two of these and 5 C-130H Hercules. It's based at Huenapai, Auckland, New Zealand, one of just 3 military bases the Kiwis have.
Different display crew this year, Squadron Leader Craig Abela in command. Joining him on the flight deck, Flight Lieutenant Dave Gardner and the Loadmaster Kenny Murray.
The 757 replaced the Boeing 727 in Kiwi service 7 years ago. It took just 6 months from funding being agreed to the aircraft being delivered, which, in military terms, is the blinking of an eye.
Just completing a 360-degree orbit. The aircraft will then continue down the display line and brake right, pitching up to 800 feet to then recommence back in for an overshoot of the runway.
6 years ago in October 2004, after a total production run of 1,050 airframes. This, the 200 model, is by far the most numerous, accounting for 914 of the total.
Both of the 757s in Royal New Zealand Air Force service were upgraded between 2007 to 9. They're now capable of a quick change from passenger to combi or freight configuration, or indeed for medivac or VIP duties. Large cargo doors installed, and the aircraft were given upgraded communications equipment and higher thrust versions of the Rolls-Royce RB211 engines.
757 is the only jet in current service with the Royal New Zealand Air Force after the country's government withdrew its A4 Skyhawks and MB339 from use. As a result, the Royal New Zealand Air Force's fast jet pilots serve in the Air Forces of Australia and Arrow Royal Air Force.
Interesting stuff with the RNZAF display pilot here, Squadron Leader Abela, became the first pilot to land a Boeing jet in Antarctica when he touched down there last year. And earlier in 2010 he flew Prince William from Wellington to Sydney during his tour of Australia and New Zealand.
Two 757s with the Kiwis, and both fully sought civilian service with the RNZAF services. They received their current high gloss paint finish local to Fairford and their livery down at Filton.
Keeping the gear retracted, he'll lower the flaps to their 5-degree position to come down the crowd line and commence the high alpha slow speed pass. You won't see the nose up as high as we have done in some of the fighter aircraft this morning, but the aircraft, I can assure you, is working well to its limits.
It's the type's third appearance in RIAT's flying display. First came in 2003, flown by Tony Davis and Mike Corkill, while the Kiwi crews were training on the aircraft at RAF Prize North just down the road. The other main military operator, the Saudi royal family, also operates 757s in the VIP transport role.
Side machine travels down the runway set line. Power staying on for a high-speed flight past to then depart to the east.
The 757 first entered airline service in 1983, and for many airlines, as with the Royal New Zealand Air Force, was designed to replace the aging Boeing 727 trijet. As of now, around the globe, there are well over 900 757